Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever you're watching me today. My name is Peter. Welcome back to Invest with Peter. So, guys, I'm so sorry I've not been able to, to drop my video of recent. I think the last time I dropped a video was in August. I'm very sorry. I'm going to be telling you the reason why I've not been able to drop my video. It's unlike me. I've been very busy with family life and all that stuff. So now I'm going to be telling you why I stopped buying stocks rather. So, and I'm going to tell you my outlook for the next, quarter and what I think about the Arab issue that's going on, between, Israel, Gaza issue, how that is going to affect investing going forward. So if you're just seeing me for the first time, my name is Peter. Please subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe, send this video, share, and click the bell button so that anytime I drop my video, you're going to have this video straight away. So now I've jotted some things down because I don't want to forget what I'm going to be talking about today. It's been a while, okay? So first reason is, why have I not been releasing my video? I have been very busy with family life, with move around and all that stuff. It's all, when you're busy, you're busy. So I'm very sorry for not bringing video to you often like I used to. So now, the other thing is, I don't want to drag this video. I just want to go straight to the point and not more than 10 minutes. Okay. So the reason why I stopped buying stocks is because, since August, I saw the dimension of inflation around the world, US, UK, and all the Western countries. The inflation is so high and, people are actually, struggling to buy stuff. And if you listen to the news, what, Jerome Powell has been saying that inflation is bad, but at the moment now, we're happy that it's coming down to some extent. So I was actually, looking outside the box. Like, I don't want to buy a company when the price is too expensive, because there's no point buying a company. There's some company I bought in 2020 until now. I'm still holding the bag. Some of them are minus 100%. So, and I'm not selling them. Anyway, that's one thing about me. I don't sell my stock when it's red. I only sell when I have at least, 50% up or thereabout. Okay, so I don't sell my company or my stocks when they're red. No, the first rule of the Oracle of Omaha is don't lose money. The second rule is don't forget rule number one. So I'm not selling my stocks, but I don't want to get caught out with the same issue again. So that's why I'm not buying stocks, and because I think this stock is quite expensive. So some YouTubers are telling you, oh, buy this. Well, when they were telling you to buy, I was actually doing the opposite. I was actually selling my stocks. I was taking profit on Microsoft, Apple, and all those ones. And I took a big profit from those companies. I didn't regret, because there's no point in investing and not taking profit. So I took a lot of profit from them. And I actually was like, well, I'm going to wait and see the market outlook before I start putting new money into the market. All right. So now let's talk about the cryptocurrency, right? I believe this is actually the beginning of bull run in crypto market. Reason being, we've been hearing about this ETF, BlackRock, sorry, can't get my words out. BlackRock actually, putting out like a listing for NASDAQ to get Ethereum ETF. We've been hearing this Ethereum ETF of cryptocurrency and all that for a while now. But of recent, the news keep coming in left and right, and this is actually dragging and pushing the bull run that we've been waiting for in the crypto market. Now that everything is going up now, I would say this is the time to trade. If you are a good trader, if you know what you're doing, I believe this is time you want to start trading those altcoins and all that, because the biggest gain is going to come from all these altcoins, not the big ones. So I'm not selling my Bitcoin, I'm not selling my Ethereum, but if you want to trade, it's a very good time to trade. And don't always invest in stocks the way you invest in crypto market. At the moment now, I'm not buying any stocks, but I am buying cryptocurrencies, right? I'm buying altcoins because I know when the bull run start, these are going to be the biggest gainers in the market. So, you don't expect Bitcoin to make 600% gains, in the nearest future anymore for now. But, if you're talking about Solana, Chainlink, you're talking about XRP, these are the ones that actually can make 600%, in a couple of weeks and all that. So those are the places I want to pitch my tent at the moment. So I am not buying stocks for now, but I am looking at cryptocurrency and I'm taking my positions. And however, I am not buying them when they are up. I'll look for weakness. Anytime I see weakness, that's when I'm going to be dropping my money and get this altcoin. So now what am I going to talk about again today? The issue of Middle East, right? See, the Middle East issue from Israel to Gaza, Palestine, Iranian, proxies and all that stuff. This is a big problem going forward. And this is the reason why I stopped buying stocks. I still hold my stocks, but I'm not buying. I'm not putting new money in the market because the issue around Middle East is concerning to some extent. If you understand geopolitical, crisis or geopolitical issues, you will know that we are not out of the wood yet, because Israel and Gaza, the Israels keep pumping, keep dropping bombs every day, and Turkey, keep making claims that they're going to get involved very soon. Iran is smashing the table every time that they're going to get involved, and they're putting their proxies out there. This is actually going to lead to something if we're not careful, or if Israel or Western countries are not careful, and that is going to drag the market down at some point. I don't want to get caught out. I'm just being careful because as a seasoned investor, but as somebody who knows what he's doing, I always look at geopolitical, stuff going around me before I put money into the market, and also to see what's going on or what might actually affect my investment going forward. So I'm not putting new money in the market. I'm just looking at what's going on there and, keep my money. Look at what's going on with the Oracle of Omaha. He actually has his company, actually has over $157 billion in cash. $157 billion in cash, just waiting on the sideline. That is what you should be following. That is what you should be very careful. This man, he's lost money this year though, but don't get me wrong, he's actually seeing something that we are not seeing. So you want to be very careful. Stocks are very expensive at this point. You don't want to start putting money in when Microsoft is hitting all-time high. You don't want to be buying Microsoft. You don't want to be buying Apple when it's hitting all-time high. You want to see and, understand which ones have got the weakness that you can put money in, whether it's dividend companies, whether it's ETF, whether it's the bond. You need to look at that and wait for tech. Tech is all up there, right? You don't want to be putting money in tech companies now at this point. But some weakness, some companies that you see that, well, the dividend are not that bad, you can put money in there. I don't want to mention any company now. But my advice is trade cryptocurrency. We are at the beginning of bull run for cryptocurrency. Stock market, you want to sit on the sideline for now and see what's going to happen going forward. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. That's why I'm just advising you to do. I'm not a financial advisor. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any steps. So going forward now, I will be looking at cryptos like Chainlink. These are what I'm going to be looking at and try trade, because Chainlink last week or last 2 weeks was around $7. Now it's $15. So it's actually double its price. So it's not a brainer. We all know that this is a platform that's going to get momentum going forward into the bull run, and I don't want to miss out. So I'll be looking at Chainlink. Ethereum. ETF is going to be approved, whether we like it or not. Going forward into the future is going to be, cryptocurrency or this fiat money is going to be out of the market. Whether you like it or not, fiat is going to be out. And we're going to be dealing in crypto. And also, people see, if you are investing in the stock in the crypto market now, you are actually early comers, I'll say, because when it gets to that stage, when big institutions that are invested and all that, then you know you're still early. So ETF for Ethereum is going to be approved, and Ethereum, rose a couple of, percentage because of that news. And don't get me wrong, people are actually forecasting Ethereum to go to $25,000 when that news is released. I don't think so, right? So we have to be realistic. I believe Ethereum will probably at best go back to $4,000, $5,000, $6,000. And from there, we can actually go up beyond that level. But I just want to be realistic with all this movement that's going on. If you want to trade it, good luck with that. So XRP again, XRP, Ripple keep winning cases every time. SEC keep losing to Ripples, and with this platform, they call it bankers coin, right? We know these are the places where they actually functional cryptocurrencies. They're not just sitting there gaining momentum with crowd and mob and everything like that. They are actually doing something, and that is what you need to be looking at when investing your money in cryptocurrency. And Polygon Matic as well, and Solana. Well, that's it for today, guys. My name is Peter Ads. I don't want to go beyond the level I said. I'm going to see you again very soon. Please subscribe to the channel. My name is Peter Ad. See you next time. Bye for now.